Imagine waking up one day and realizing your bank account has been emptied, your credit cards maxed out, and loans taken out in your name. Terrifying, right? Identity theft is one of the fastest-growing crimes in the world. But don't worry, you're about to learn 15 powerful tips to protect yourself and stay one step ahead of the thieves. Stick around till the end, because tip number 15 could save you from a total disaster. Let's dive in and fortify your defenses. Your personal info is like gold to identity thieves. Never hand it over on a silver platter. Shred sensitive documents, keep social security numbers locked away, and never trust random phone calls or emails asking for your details. If it feels fishy, it probably is. Your password is your shield. Don't make it easy to crack. Ditch the lazy 123456 or password 123 and go for something like R3DDRAG0N2024. Use a password manager to keep track and make hackers cry in frustration. Think of two-factor authentication as a lock and a guard dog. Even if thieves steal your password, they'll need to crack a second code, and good luck with that. Set it up wherever you can, especially for banking and email accounts. Picture this. You get an email that says, "Urgent, your account is locked. Click here to fix it." Stop. Scammers love using fear to trick you. Always check the sender's email address and never click suspicious links. Verify directly with the company instead. Your credit report is like your financial health monitor. Check it regularly to spot any shady activity. If you see accounts you didn't open or charges you don't recognize, it's time to raise the alarm. Thieves don't just need your wallet, they'll happily hijack your devices too. Install antivirus software, enable firewalls, and keep everything updated. Oh, and don't forget to lock your screens, even if you're just stepping away for a coffee. Public Wi-Fi is like a hacker's playground. Using it without protection is like shouting your passwords in a crowded room. Use a VPN to encrypt your connection and keep those eavesdroppers out of your business. That old bank statement? Shred it. Expired credit card offers? Shred them too. Dumpster diving is a real thing, and thieves will gladly turn your trash into their treasure. Posting about your pet's name or your mom's maiden name might seem harmless, but guess what? Those are common security questions. Keep your personal life, well, personal. Save the oversharing for close friends. Your mailbox is an identity thief's jackpot. Switch to paperless statements, and if you're expecting important documents, track them. Better yet, use a locked mailbox or a P.O. box for extra security. Online shopping is fun, but entering your card details on shady websites isn't. Stick to secure, reputable sites and look for the padlock in your browser. Oh, and never save card details on a website you don't trust. When companies get hacked, your data could be leaked. Stay informed by signing up for breach alerts. If your info is compromised, act fast. Change passwords, monitor accounts, and lock down your credit if needed. A credit freeze is like locking your doors when you leave home. It stops anyone, including thieves, from opening accounts in your name. It's free, effective, and easy to lift if you need credit later. Even the best security measures won't help if your family isn't on board. Teach them to recognize scams, protect passwords, and keep personal info private. Together, you're an unstoppable team against identity theft. If you suspect identity theft, don't panic, but don't wait either. Freeze your accounts, contact your bank, and report the incident to the Federal Trade Commission. Time is your best ally when fighting back. Looking to create beautiful and amazing graphics in just minutes? Say goodbye to design skills and hello to the Click Design tool. Whether it's for social media, presentations, or business needs, this tool makes stunning designs effortlessly. Ready to transform your creativity? Download it now and start creating magic today. There you have it, 15 tips to protect yourself from identity theft and stay one step ahead of the scammers. Remember, your identity is priceless, so take these steps seriously and share them with your loved ones. If you found this guide helpful, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the bell icon to keep getting valuable tips. Together, we can outsmart the thieves and stay safe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.